Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 23 of Gazabellz, and right now I am getting ready so that way I can start my day. I did my skincare, now I'm doing my makeup. I'm just doing my eyebrows and concealer underneath my eyes. For today's festivities, I have my company's virtual holiday party today. I'm not 100% excited for it just because I have to host one of the trivia games and I have to also read out the questions for that game. And I did that for another event that we had at the beginning of this year for a baby shower, and that was extremely chaotic, and so I can only imagine that it is going to be 10 times more chaotic because it's on Zoom. But I am very excited to see some of my co-workers, my team, my manager. And then later on tonight we are going to go do a holiday lights drive-through experience. So Six Flags is kind of doing like a little light show experience where you can drive through and look at all like the pretty lights and stuff. Tickets were pretty cheap too. I'm going to try to make gingerbread cookies because I believe I have all the ingredients and I've been meaning to do it, but I just keep forgetting. So I'm gonna try to do it today, especially because Christmas is in like 2 days. Also, today is Sunny's birthday and he would have been 7 years old. My babies. Okay, so right now I'm about to refill the candy jar for my office holiday party, so that way I won't forget and do it last minute. So this is the jar that I used to fill up the candy. So I need to get a bag to put those Skittles in. Have my bag of kisses, peppermint kisses. I'm just gonna fill it up. Okay, so this is about how much it was the first time, I believe. I'm not gonna recount it just because I already have the actual number amount from when I first did it, and it was like 180. So this looks like 180. So we just need to look like it. It doesn't have to be exactly like it. Okay, so now that we got that out of the way, I am going to make myself some boba tea again because this time I have the missing ingredient. This is the black sugar, what is it? It's black sugar syrup. The black sugar syrup. Missing ingredient. The reason why the boba tea looks like this is because of this. Okay, so I'll link both of these down below because I got these both off of Amazon, and if it's still available on Amazon then I'll link both of them down below. And then I also got these these are like boba coated almonds that I want to try too as well. Link these down below if it's available. Okay people, let's make us some boba. I need it badly. It's a lot better. whole lot better. So now let's try this. It's interesting. They just taste like sweet almonds. Not really much like milk tea, but still good. So I just got out of my company's virtual holiday happy hour. Well, it wasn't really a happy hour. It was just a virtual holiday party. And it went really good. It was really nice seeing everyone in my office and everyone who works outside the office, which was really nice. And then hosting the game wasn't as chaotic as I thought it was going to be. It was actually pretty nice, but then like at times it would get like quiet, okay? Because I was trying to be the hostess with the mostest, and that sometimes didn't translate with a lot of people in my office. But it was still fun. So yes, so I think now I'm going to get ready to go to the grocery store with my dad, and then we're going to go to the light show. So right now we're getting ready to go to the Drive-Thru light show. We're also bringing the dogs too.
Don't. Bruh.
They're also wearing their cute little checkered jackets because it has like a little Sherpa on the inside to keep them warm. So we are back from the little holiday park drive-thru experience from Six Flags, and it was really nice. You know, we waited in line because we had to go into the park. We had to go through the parking lot around to get into the park, and we waited for like more than an hour for it to be an 11-minute experience. But it was still fun. It was cute. It was nice. Yes, that is it for this vlog. I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Paalam!